Today we are going to be unbagging Lip Monthly. Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions, men's, women's, kids, beauty, pets, you name it. I unbox it, and if I haven't, I probably will be soon. So today I have for you guys Lip Monthly, and I know you might be asking, why do you have a Lip Monthly? That's supposed to be part of Battle of the Beauty Boxes, and it lost, so it should be canceled, right? Yes, you would be correct in assuming that. However, I forgot to cancel Lip Monthly. May as well just go ahead and make a video of it. It is a lipstick subscription service where you get 4 to 5 lip products each month. The cost of the bag is $12.95 a month, and you're supposed to receive about $50 in products each month. The last couple of months, the quality of the bag I feel like has gone downhill. The bags themselves that the products came in used to be like these colorful canvasy type bags with a little zipper on top and a logo of Lip Monthly on the bottom. And then the last 2 or 3 months they've just been these drawstring bags. And I did go ahead and open this, and this card explains a little bit about it. So this month we have a little velour type of drawstring bag, and it's just a little purple bag. It is cute. It is a little bit nicer quality than the canvas bags, so I do like that fact. They say the reason their bags haven't been their normal bags is because they've had delays in shipments on their bags. And they've come up with a new design, and I guess they're remaking the bag that everything comes in. So that is why everything kind of seems like unusual, and you know, I felt like everything was just kind of like it was really good, and then the last couple months I feel like it's just been not on par. So also they do have the prices of the lip products in here, which is something that they used to do, and then the last 2 months they didn't. And in May's, my product didn't even have a card at all. So I mean, it wasn't even a like, here's this month, this is the theme. There's nothing in the bag. So I'm glad that they're putting these back in here. I like to know the pricing, and I will tell you the pricing. So let's dig on in, see what I got in June's bag. First up, Luna by Luna. They definitely like their Luna by Luna products. We get a lot of Luna by Luna products. And this doesn't say. Oh, there it is. It's a lip crayon in the shade Pandora. So let's see what color. And it is a bright red lip crayon. Can you see that? This color is not for me. While I like wearing red, this seems like it's more of an orangey based red, and those colors don't look good on my skin, so I'm not going to swatch it. Next up we have Steve. Oh wait, I can tell you the price. Okay, no I can't. So I have 4 products in my bag, but they only give me the pricing of 2 or 3 of them, and it says a few of your items. So they don't give the pricing for this one. The Steve Laurent one, I also don't have pricing for this one. So I will have to look up the pricings. This is a Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. I feel like we have gotten this one before, in the shade Royalty. And that is pink. And again, these very pinky type colors just are not my jam. I do not like them. I do have to say this doe foot applicator is wonderful. I've tried other Steve Laurent liquid lips. I actually like these liquid lips. For liquid lip, they dry my lips out, and so like every liquid lip I've ever tried has dried my lips out, and so I'm not a big fan of them, but these are good. They're nice. They still dry out my lips, but you know, for what they are, they work well. I do like their doe foot applicators because they're fluffy. Like, I mean, they're soft and comfortable and they cover really well. But I've had some doe foot applicators that the fuzz on the applicator, or like, you know, the fluffiness of the applicator is too fluffy and you can't get a precise line. I have a red one like that. And when you're wearing bright red, you want a nice crisp line. You don't want a line with like little wispies everywhere. And I just feel like I have to go in and clean it up after I wear it. Whereas the Steve Laurent ones, I can get a nice crisp line and I don't have to clean them up. So I do have to say I love their applicators. I do like the formula. It's really nice. It's comfortable wearing. Like, there's some of them that like shrink down and like you feel like you can't really move your lips much. But it's comfortable. Again, it just dries my lips out, and so I don't like it for that reason. Our next product is by Cargo Cosmetics. We do have the price on this one. This is a lipstick in the shade, I don't know. It is $22. So let's open it and see what shade it's in. Dubai. It's in the shade Dubai. I like their packaging. Cargo, it's very like clean and simple. And I do have another Cargo lipstick. That's pretty. It's a nice nude color, just like a lighter brown color. Very pretty. I would definitely wear that, so let's swatch that. Ooh, it's actually pinkier than I thought it was going to be. It's definitely like a pinkish brown, but in the tube it just looked a little bit darker than on my hand. But that is beautiful. It's definitely, I like the more neutral, nude type lipsticks. And so this is one that I would definitely wear quite frequently. And last but not least, by Lord and Berry. This is also on here. $15 for this lip liner. I don't know if this little lip liner is worth $15. This is in the shade Vintage Rose. And it kind of got hot and melted to the side of my container. Can you see that? So it's a little on the flat side. It melted down the crayon as well and all of my container. So I'll go ahead and test it. It is a pretty kind of purpley mauve type color. It's crumbly just because it melted, I feel like. But I think once I shave it down, it will be just fine. So that is gorgeous. I like these two colors and I would definitely wear them. I like berry colors and I wear them a lot. So these two colors, love them. The other two, not a big fan. But I don't know, like I feel like that's been happening more and more lately with Lip Monthly. And again, it could just be I'm being picky, but I have canceled them, not because it's bad. The products are really good. The value is there. You're paying $13 for $50 worth of products essentially. So it's definitely there because I like to see a 50% margin. Definitely there, but I'm just overwhelmed with lip products at the moment and do not need any more. So it's been canceled for a while. Maybe I'll pick it up again in a little while when I'm used up some of my lip products. But for now, yeah, I'm done with it. But it is a good bag, so if you're still interested, I will leave a link down below so you can sign up for a bag of your own. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!